Okay, start from adding wind direction from south, southwest, west, northwest, north, northeast, east, and southeast, and name this one as DS, directions. And this one is DI, and I will replace semicolon, colon to semicolon here. Then I'll name this range as double for divide and multiply. Then add direction of wind here, so north. Then start from color, this one lock column, and then start point, wind direction and direction here. Then move is round of index on the array here, and it's matched on color. Then I use mod to shift the wind direction, so start with the wind direction trim on left on DS, minus direction and minus 4, this is to shipping, and mod by 8 plus 1 here, and then multiply by right of the wind magnitude. Okay, then sum everything, but if move equal to 0, change to 1. And then if total sum more than 99, we reach the finish line. So F here, and just copy, and copy to level 3 here, which missing the wind direction. And here is the wind direction, so index left of the I. So just start letter. I could use text start or text before here, and then match of replace. So this is wildcard with colon, semicolon here, and replace the number in the middle. Then this one had to add semicolon at the end. Okay, and then just this one is level 2, and copy this to direction, and this will work. And oh, I need to copy the wind direction from above here. Okay, paste here, and I'm changing this H cell to below cell here, and copy to the right. Then this one start from 10,000, and previous is 10,000, and wait, start point is from here. Then this one x, I will sum if s equal to dd, if on top is -1, if below is +1. So if x have some value, then round p multiplied by 2 power of x, and then ps. Then just copy to the right, and then copy down. And this one just simply this. And this one I need 3 times, so copy, paste here, and then paste here. Then this is start from 10,000, paste to this one. Okay. And this one I change start point to the left up here, which I will do later, and then just copy everything down and copy to next level. Then the turn, so just copy on this one. Okay, paste here, and the start point is left cell, so the F here, wind direction is index on this one, and the start point +1 here, and the direction of moving is on top here, also s +1. Then copy everything and copy to the next level. Then just use lookup on large number to find the last number of point here. Okay, copy down here, and copy. All done. Stop time. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.